Holidays are approaching fast, presenting a golden opportunity to captivate your audience like never before. Generic holiday messages fly under the radar. You need content that truly resonates with your audience's emotions. Segmentation plays a vital role, letting you target your audience's unique interests and holiday moods effectively. Understanding holiday sentiments, like the excitement of Black Friday, ensures your message hits the right note. Crafting tailored messages instead of generic ones can dramatically increase your engagement rates during this busy season. With iContact's segmentation tool, pinpoint your audience's core groups based on how they engage with holidays. Create captivating messages for each group, ensuring your content caters specifically to their individual preferences. Personalization with names and past purchases can take your email engagement to an entirely new level. Automating follow-ups empowers you to stay top of mind, ensuring your offers constantly reach your audience. This holiday season, leverage iContact's segmentation tool to transform chaos into brilliant connections that drive results.